Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Supabase magic links in FlutterFlow apps step by step clearly. To authenticate with Supabase magic links in your FlutterFlow app, start by ensuring you have a Supabase account and a project set up. Access your Supabase project dashboard and navigate to the authentication section. In the authentication settings, locate the Settings tab. Enable magic link authentication by toggling the appropriate option on. Next, go to your FlutterFlow project and open the page where you want to implement the authentication. Drag and drop a button widget onto the canvas. Label the button for user-friendly access, such as Sign in with Magic Link. Now, select the button and navigate to the Actions panel on the right side. Choose Add Action and select the Backend Call option. From the Backend Call Type dropdown, select Supabase and then Sign in. In the Action settings, select the Magic Link option from the Sign in Method dropdown. Next, bind the button to capture the user's email. To do so, add an input field above or near the button for users to enter their email address. Go back to the button's action settings and bind the email input field to the email parameter for the sign-in call. Now, navigate to the page settings of the current page. In the redirect settings, specify which page users should be directed to after they successfully authenticate. After setting up the redirection, return to the Supabase dashboard. Look for the Email Templates section within the authentication settings. Customize the magic link email template as needed to match your branding and messaging. Remember to test the link within the email to ensure it directs users back to your app correctly. Return to your FlutterFlow application and start testing the authentication flow. Enter a valid email address, click the Sign In button, and check your inbox for the magic link. After clicking the link, verify that you are redirected to the correct page in your FlutterFlow app. Congratulations! You have successfully set up authentication using Supabase magic links in your FlutterFlow app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.